I just got this advent calendar from Pixi Beauty, so let's open it up. This is called the 12 Days of Icons, and this is everything that's included inside. Here is the inside, and let's start with day 1, right over here. Day 1 is the Pixi Dream Eye in the jasmine scent. Day 2, Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Day 3, On The Go Blush. Day 4, Brow Tamer. Day 5, Vitamin C Lip Patch. Day 6, Flawless and Poreless Primer. Day 7 is this little cutie, the Hydra Lip Treat. 8, Antioxidant Tonic. Day 9 is Flawless Beauty Primer. Day 10, the Lip Tone pH Reactive Gloss. Day 11, Detoxify Caffeine and Cucumber Depuffing Eye Patches. And day 12, the Makeup Fixing Mist. That's everything that's included in the Pixi Beauty Advent Calendar. I'll have everything linked in my shop,